In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to flip or mirror a layer in Photoshop. This is a super useful trick whether you're editing photos, designing thumbnails, creating graphics, or just trying to quickly mirror an object in your design. Flipping a layer can help you balance a composition, create reflections, or simply correct the direction something is facing. The best part is that Photoshop makes this incredibly quick once you know where the option is. In this tutorial, I'll show you the most common method using Free Transform, and then I'll also show you another quick method using the top menu. So if you want to mirror layers in Photoshop the easy way, keep watching. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Photoshop tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your project in Photoshop and make sure the Layers panel is visible. In the Layers panel, click on the layer that you want to flip or mirror. This could be an image, text layer, graphic element, or really any layer inside your project. It's important to make sure the correct layer is selected because Photoshop will only flip the layer that is currently active. Once your layer is selected, the easiest and most common way to mirror it is by using Free Transform. To open Free Transform, press Ctrl+T on your keyboard if you are using Windows, or Command+T if you are on a Mac. As soon as you press that shortcut, you'll see a transform box appear around the selected layer. This box lets you resize, rotate, and transform the layer in different ways. Now, inside that transform box, right-click anywhere on the image or inside the bounding area. When you right-click, a menu will appear with several transform options. In that list, you will see Flip Horizontal and Flip Vertical. If you choose Flip Horizontal, Photoshop will mirror the layer from left to right. This means the left side becomes the right side, and the right side becomes the left side. This is commonly used when you want to reverse the direction of a subject or mirror a graphic. If instead you choose Flip Vertical, Photoshop will flip the layer from top to bottom. The top becomes the bottom, and the bottom becomes the top. This option is often useful when creating reflections or flipping design elements for stylistic effects. After choosing the option you want, you'll immediately see the layer flip in your canvas. To finalize the transformation, press Enter on your keyboard. Once you press Enter, the flip will be applied and the transform box will disappear. And that's the most common and fastest method to mirror any layer in Photoshop. Now, let's look at another way to flip a layer in Photoshop using the top menu. This method performs the exact same action, but some users prefer it because it doesn't require opening the transform box. Start again by selecting the layer you want to flip in the Layers panel. Once the correct layer is selected, go to the top menu and click Edit. In the drop-down menu, hover over Transform. A new submenu will appear showing several transformation options. In that list, you will again see Flip Horizontal and Flip Vertical. Simply click Flip Horizontal if you want to mirror the layer left to right, or click Flip Vertical if you want to flip the layer upside down from top to bottom. As soon as you click the option, Photoshop will instantly apply the flip to the selected layer without opening the Free Transform tool. This makes it a quick and clean option when you already know exactly how you want to mirror your layer. One helpful tip when flipping layers in Photoshop is to make sure you are working on the correct layer or group. If you accidentally select the wrong layer, Photoshop will flip that element instead. You can also duplicate a layer before flipping it if you want to keep the original version unchanged. And that's how you flip or mirror a layer in Photoshop using two quick and easy methods. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Photoshop tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.